Hey everybody, like I said, I would come periodically through to give you a bit of an update in regards to progress that we're making in the master bathroom remodel. As you can see, we've been doing quite a bit of things. Right underneath this big styrofoam thing, we ended up getting our new vanity top, which has two sinks, and look what we got there. Look at that. A whole wall of tile. There's some trim already put in there. They already put the little seating bench and little shelves, and the guys have been working really hard getting all this stuff done for us, but it's slowly but surely coming along as they're doing it. Hope you're all having yourselves a great day. Appreciate you all watching and enjoying our YouTube channel. These are the little pebbles that are going to end up going on the floor of the shower, and that's the new shower drain and the bathtub and some of the fixtures that are going to go in there, and there's a backsplash for the new vanity. But anyways, everybody, just wanted to touch base, and we're getting there slowly but surely. Again, thanks for watching. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.